In this video, I'm going to show you how you can remove a payment method from your iPhone. So if you use a payment method or any specific card for subscriptions, here's how you can remove it. So once you're on your iPhone, go to settings, and then that will take you obviously into your settings. And from here, you want to click on your name. So that should be your name related to your Apple account. So click on it. It's going to be at the top. Now, once you're here and you're inside of your name, you will then see payment and shipping. If you go ahead and click on that, it's going to then take you to the next window. It may ask you to re-log in or verify with Face ID. So once you've done that, it's going to show you what payment methods you've currently got on file. As you can see, I need to verify one of mine already. But what we can do is we can either remove this or we can add another payment method. So if you click on the payment method that you want to remove, you can then click remove payment method. It's then going to ask you, are you sure you want to remove it? And then what you can do is you can click on remove. Now, in some instances, it won't let you remove it if that is the only card on file and you've got active subscriptions. So you can either cancel those subscriptions or click add payment method and add another payment method where the payment could be taken from. So I hope that video helped and solved your problem.